Hi, welcome to section 2, Integrating with React. In this section, we're going to learn how to integrate what we have learned from last section into a real React application after we understood everything in a vanilla JavaScript app. It will be easy and concise to be used in the rest of the sections as example. Again, if you are interested in Angular and didn't work with React before, don't worry. It's not a React course. I'll focus more on the concept and usage of Redux, so keep watching and I promise you will understand every single line of code as if you are writing Angular. And after all, in section 7, we will apply most of the concepts again in Angular. Let's start with the first video in this section, installing React and creating a React application. If you open React website right now and open documentation and go to create new React app, you will find here Create React App. This is a CLI tool and the best way to start building a new single-page application in React. Let's use this tool. Using npx create React App and let's call it Cafe. For example, let's stick to the Cafe example we learned in the last section. It will generate a folder with the name Cafe. Afterwards, start building the node modules and building everything. Now it's done. Get into the folder and run npm start and open in a new tab as a fresh React application.